So the next thing is kindly select your account type to complete your account creation process and proceed to KYC. So KYC means know your customers for those who might be coming across this for the first time. Then you click on select account type. This is very important. So once you click on select account type, it will pop up this interface for you where you need to swipe. Yes, you can see how I'm swiping. Here we have pop. If you read all of this, you can see it says looking to get started with financial investing. Pop enables you to start small to earn more. You can deposit 20,000 maximum, withdrawal 30,000 daily. The balance maximum will be 200,000. So for this particular stage, this is very crucial if you are signing up. First of all, why I say this is very crucial is because once you pick this, that is what your account will rely on. That is what your account will be able to contain. That is what your account will be able to work with. So when you are doing this, make sure you watch this video till the end and get the details of what is needed of you to do before you proceed. Right now, if you look at the details we have here, we have deposit 20,000, withdrawal 30,000, balance 200,000. This means if you are creating your account on this type of account, these are the minimum and maximum amount this account can contain, which is the pop account type. Then the next one, if you come to Groove, scroll your hand for you to see the next thing in the right hand side of your phone. It will take you to this Groove where you will see 40,000 deposits, withdrawal 30,000, balance 400,000. This particular account can only contain and work within the range of this amount that you are seeing here. So if you choose this is what your account can work with. Then the last but not the least is the classic. Yes, and this classic is the advisable one, which is the one I am also using on my accounts. So classic, it says go classic and get the most out of your brokerage account with no limit. Here you can see the deposit is what? No limit. The withdrawal is what? No limit. The balance is what? No limit. So there should be no limit to what you can do on your account, which means this account is what you should choose. So click on the fine girl image that you have here in this profile. Click on it for you to tick. Don't forget that if you click on this image of this fine guy too, this will tick for you. And if you go and click on choose type, that means you've choose this with a specific limit amount. But for your safety transaction without limit on this Afrinvestor 2.0, make sure you choose classic. Just click the profile picture of the lady and this button down here will pop up for you. Then you click on choose type. Give it time, allow it to load up, and then voila, you have completely signed up and you have chosen the account that you want to work on with your Afrinvestor 2.0. Before we proceed to our KYC means know your customer. If you are to do your KYC, you have to submit the details about your personal self. So right now we'll go into that. And before then, should in case you are just coming across my video and you are wondering that who is this, I am Rafiu Deborah, the brain behind Sholadvem 2.0. I am a business registration agent for any kind of business, both UK, US, and Nigeria. Business registration, your CAC, your SCOM, your TIN registration, your SMEDAN, your trademark. Feel free to use the link in the description to connect with me. For our KYC, here is a video that I explain in details how you can do your KYC easily and the fastest way without delay. Check this video out and get your KYC done ASAP. I will see you in the next video.